Did you go anywhere else?
No, that's the only location we actually got out of the car, though, because it was starting to get light out, so people were starting to get up to go to work.
Once you all got out of the car, what occurred?
I asked Casey to, well, let me preface this, we had a marked patrol car also following us with a uniform in case I were to get out of the car.
On the road. You can continue.
In case I were to get out of the car and knock on the door, I wanted uniform presence, so there was another marked car with us. I'd asked Casey to sit in the car. I rolled the passenger window down. I told her I would knock on the doors of the area. There are several apartments in that area that she indicated, and if she noticed anyone that looked familiar to her, to indicate it to me, and then we would go from there.
Miss Anthony?
Yes.
And did Miss Anthony tell you that any of those apartments or people in those apartments looked familiar to her?
No.
Were you directed anywhere else by Miss Anthony?
No.
After all of this process is completed, about what time it is it? Did you say that it was starting to get light?
I believe we were at the crossings at Conway Apartments about just after 6 in the morning.
Once that process was completed, where did you go with Miss Anthony?
I drove her home.
Did either one of you have her cell phone?
No. I don't recall if she had it. I didn't have it.
When you dropped her at home, did you just let her out of the car and she went into the house? What happened?
Yeah, pretty much it.
Did you indicate to her that you would continue to investigate some of the information that she had provided to you?
We had small talk as I dropped her off. Obviously, it said we were going to look to try and see if we can find Kaylee. I can't remember specifically what I told her, but in the general sense, yes.
Did you leave at that point and begin an investigation into some of the information that she had provided to you?
Yes.
Your Honor, at this point I have no other questions.
Cross-examination?